All right, so for my security tool, I went with a VPN. Specifically, I chose TunnelBear. Um, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to use that. So we'll head over there really quick to the website. All right, so this is the website. Um, so I'll log in really quick. It is a free version that I'm using, and you guys can use. You can upgrade it, which I'll show you. This is what you get: unlimited data, 5 connected devices, fast servers. So you can do like month or year. But like I said, I'm going to be using the free version, which is fine for what we're going to be doing. And I did already make an account ahead of time just because they'll have you confirm your email. So they'll send you an email. You have to wait for it to get there and then confirm it. So I just did that to save time, but I'll show you how to do everything else. So we'll go ahead and download it. Wait for this to download. And I really like this one because this VPN, obviously there's a lot of VPNs out there, but this one has a nice free version of it. A lot of them, there'll be like a free trial, and then they'll have you like put in your information, your credit card information in the beginning in order to start your free trial, and then you'll start getting like you'll have to pay after that. And this one doesn't have any of that, so I really like that. And also it's just easy to use. So we're going to go ahead and install it really quick. All right. Okay, so it auto logged me in just because I did make an account ahead of time. But normally you just have to log in right there. And then you'll be taken to this screen. So it shows where we're at right now due to our IP. So right here in Michigan, and then you just turn it on and it'll auto connect you to one of these. So sometimes it goes to Canada, sometimes it goes here. But yeah, it's really easy to use. Like you can just click on whatever you want. Hit yes. It'll take you from here to over here. And down here you can see how much data you have remaining for the month since I'm on the free trial, it'll do that. But you can upgrade if you want to do that. You probably won't be able to do a ton of like streaming with this amount, but you always have the option to upgrade. And you can connect to a lot of places, as you see, all over the world. So it's really nice. It's got a lot of choices. So that's cool. I can show you the options here that it has, which are pretty nice, the features. You can block all the traffic while you connect, and then reconnect it once you're actually connected to the VPN. And you can also make your encrypted data look more like regular internet data, so you can be more discreet about it, which is a cool feature. And then you can also automatically activate TunnelBear when you're connected to a Wi-Fi that isn't like trusted for you. So that's really nice. So like if you're at a coffee shop or something, you can just automatically connect to TunnelBear. So you don't have to worry about forgetting about it. That's a nice feature. And I'm going to go into all the reasons as to why you'd want to use a VPN, which I'll do now. So I'll turn this off really quick here. Okay, disconnected. All right. Okay, so I chose TunnelBear. And then how does a VPN work? It's like a secure tunnel for information. So basically it's protection between you and the internet for your computer. So it connects to a server in another location, which disguises your location, and it will change your IP address to whatever that location is for that server. So that like all the places on the map that I can connect, and I'll take that IP in that location. So that's basically how it works. And then why you would want to use a VPN, there's obviously a lot of reasons why. Being anonymous is definitely the big one. That's why most people will probably use it. but also there's like region restricted content. So people around the world use VPNs. So like if their government has censorship, that's a way that they can get around that. Um, and then another thing would be like, and even with the region restricted, like some videos on YouTube even won't be available in your region. So that's a way to get around that. And they can bypass network restrictions. So like if you're at school or you're at work and they have like stuff blocked or there's restrictions on that, that's another way to get around that. And then streaming media, obviously with this one, with TunnelBear, the free version, you're not going to be able to stream a whole bunch because of the restrictions on the free trial. But you can upgrade. But like for Netflix, so what you can view on Netflix depends on where you, like what country you're in. So if something's unavailable that you want to watch, you can use a VPN to be able to watch the show you want. And then, as I talked about, it can TunnelBear can connect to like it'll automatically open up and be used when you're on an untrusted network. So that's a good for security. You'll be a lot more protected on a untrusted network that you're not sure of, like if you're at a coffee shop or something. And then also overall privacy, just because I mean everyone's entitled to privacy, and if you don't want people like watching what you're doing. It's a nice thing to have. Basically, that goes along with being anonymous. That's why most people will use a VPN. And like I said, there is a ton of VPNs out there. There's some really good ones that'll cost money, and a lot of them are pretty decent that are free, but they have really good upgrades if you want to go that route. But yeah, so I chose TunnelBear, and these are the reasons why you would use it and how you use it. Thanks for watching.